I always wish to have a more spacious and organized kitchen, and I know all ladies who are watching this video wish the same. But we can't suddenly create a big and spacious kitchen, but yes, we can definitely keep it organized. After all, life becomes much better when everything is in its place and you can find whatever you need right away. So I brought you some very cost-friendly chronicles of kitchen organization in today's video, and I can assure you it will not at all affect your pocket. So without any delay, let's start the video. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. You must be having many old necklaces which we don't wear actually, and they are just occupying our wardrobe space. So use them in your kitchen to organize things like towel roll or foil roll. You just have to take a chain or any old necklace and put it inside the towel roll and then hang it over on any command hook, or you can also hang on your cabinet handle. It will work like towel roll organizer. In this way you can utilize your old necklace which was just lying around without any use, and look at this, isn't it looking so beautiful? Totally cost-free organizer you can have for your kitchen without spending any money and without any DIY, which also takes lots of time and efforts. I am having this old grater which I don't use much, as I have a smaller one also which are more convenient to use on daily basis. So I thought to use this one as an organizer to hang my kitchen towel, and also I can use it as a decor piece by just adding an artificial plant on the top of it. This also I am hanging with the help of command hook, which is very easy to use anywhere in the kitchen. So without buying anything, I have a beautiful organizer for my kitchen towel. You will get empty bottles very easily in your kitchen. We all have jam and honey bottles, and even if we are not using them, we don't actually want to throw them away. So you don't need to throw them. These bottles are very useful and you can use them as a great organizer for all your cutleries. I am using a Magzine basket here, but you can use any type of basket whatever is available with you. Keep few empty bottles without their lid and you can place all your cutleries in these jars. Your kitchen counter will look organized and beautiful, and it will be very handy for you while working in your kitchen. I have this hardboard Magzine organizer. If you don't have this, you can use any other box which we get in any parcel or any toy box, whatever you have. Only thing is you need to buy a very strong double-sided tape. I am using this transparent double-sided tape which is very strong and not very costly. I will stick this cardboard file organizer inside one of the cabinet door, and I can store anything in this box which is not taking any extra space and will be hidden inside my cabinet. So I can store empty bottles in this organizer, or maybe I can utilize it for keeping some chips packets or any other snacks packet which are not very heavy. These jute bags I bought in just rupees 230 in pair from Amazon, and these jute bags are very useful and spacious. You can store many things in these bags and keep your kitchen clutter free. I'm using it to store extra towel roll and apron, and the other one I'm using it for keeping all my wooden spatulas. You can keep any empty container or jar inside this jute bag to make it little sturdy for storing spatulas. It has more space, so I am keeping one foil roll also in this jute bag. Now lastly, most useful and very cheap organizer I am sharing with you is this command hooks. These command hooks are great for any kitchen, especially small kitchen where we don't have space to keep cabinets and shelves. Simply use these command hooks anywhere in the kitchen and hang whatever you want or whatever is creating clutter in your kitchen. These command hooks are very strong. You can check the weight in the packet before using it for anything to hang, and accordingly you can hang your cutleries, pans, strainers, etc. You can use these command hooks inside or outside your cabinet, on racks, even on normal walls or tiles. They are suitable for any type of surface. I really hope these ideas will be helpful for you, and if you already know these hacks, I hope you enjoyed watching the video. If you like, do subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up. Thank you so much everyone for watching my videos.